Oh snap. It's about to go down.
We haven't been here in 2 weeks.
Holy crap. See what surprises we have awaiting us.
All right, it is time to head inside. It's been 2 entire weeks since we have been over here and they have been hard at work. We're gonna head inside and see what they've got done. Good, looking great. The windows, holy cow.
Dang, that gray was the perfect color.
Yeah. I'm glad we did that accent wall for sure.
I love it.
For sure, for sure.
Oh, there's no more door. Holy sh**. That's magic.
That does look so like good, but like weird at the
You would have
same
never
time.
known.
I know.
Good job.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, you deserve that.
That's
Wow, this looks good.
Yeah, I love the floor. It looks really good with the cabinets.
The brown.
Ooh, oh, with the fan. The fan. The fan.
That worked out well.
Oh, nice. The new outlet. It's the little things.
Yeah. This looks like an entirely different house.
It looks like so bright. And remember, this was like pink, I think, right?
Something like that.
Pink or something. Oh, and it's all just so bright and fresh. Nice. And they fixed all of our, you know, all of my attempts at fixing the closet. They made it right.
And they painted in there?
Yeah.
Wow.
Painted everything in there.
Oh, the color.
Yeah. Do you like it? I can't even remember what it was called now, but
Like something, yeah, I don't remember.
honestly, I don't remember. Oh.
It was a gray of some sort, like a tornado gray or sea storm gray.
I can't remember. Leo sent me some photos, so I'll have to link those down below. I know we did extra white, like around the trim and the windows and all of that. So that's for sure. The bigger vanity. This looks really good. And we'll probably put this back up.
The lights.
Light looks good. But I shouldn't have opened that.
The floor mixed with it. The
Yeah,
floor
the
running into the
floor.
bathroom looks amazing.
It does. And then the laundry room looks like a legit. Oh, and they added this new shelf for us, which looks really good.
So we weren't sure if we were going to update the appliances and everything, but we probably will now that everything is done. Now I'm like looking at them, everything is too nice to not update those. We'll see.
This guy.
Yeah, for sure.
Our plant is sad. And then the hosta. I think I'm just gonna
R.I.P.
toss that guy. Should we? Oh, the can lights. Those look great too.
It makes me so excited to rent this out.
Yeah, we'll get a new fridge, stove, microwave. I might paint the countertops, to be completely honest.
It might need it.
Might. Just because they're it's like pink.
Yeah.
Here's the countertops, so like they're kind of pinkish, purplish.
Don't really go with everything though.
Yeah. Maybe do like a gray, like I did in my parents' bathroom. Another video for you guys to show you how easy it is to paint countertops and cabinets. I don't know. I haven't decided about the cabinets yet. That is more to come. But let's go upstairs.
We got some wood.
Hardwood floors. We do need to get these finished, and that's gonna be like a huge project all the way throughout. Looks like maybe at one point this maybe was like a wall. Maybe?
Makes
I don't
sense.
know, because there's like this odd piece of wood there. That kind of frustrates me just because it's not like everything else, but it is what it is. It's a part of the character of the old house, in my opinion. So yeah, this looks good though. Like just taking the carpet out, you guys, there used to be a really bad smell in here from pet pee. I know I said old lady pee at one point, but I'm pretty sure we've confirmed that it was the dog that had peed everywhere.
Yeah.
And there were stains and nasty smells and odors up here and downstairs, and we do not smell any of that at all, which is so nice. Up here and actually throughout most of the house, we're gonna be getting shades for the windows. So that will be coming soon. I think in about a month or so. We gotta get those ordered.
And it looks like they still have the fan to put up here. The black one that is just like the one downstairs in the bedroom is going to be going up here. Everything looks so much brighter in here. Well, I guess it's because the shades are off, but and we still have to replace that air conditioning unit there. Look at this roof. Nice, a little dirty right now, but
yeah.
Okay.
Definitely a big, like more big jobs still to go, but like the progress in the past 2 weeks is just crazy. And now like a lot of it is gonna be up to us to finish. So like just the finishing touches, you know, finishing the floor, doing whatever we want with the countertops if we decide to do that. And then of course the Airbnb, but like as far as this goes, oh my gosh, I'm like honestly speechless because it just looks so good. Like just the power of paint, you guys, it's incredible. And just like natural light. And that's why I'm excited about the shades, because they'll be really easy to pull up and down. It won't be like the blinds and all that. Speaking of shades, we're not gonna be putting shades throughout the whole downstairs, and some of them are just going to have curtains. So I'm going to measure for some curtains so that we can get measurements over, and so we can get those curtains here ASAP, so that when everything's done, we're able to put those curtains up right away. So let's go measure. These two are gonna have the shades because I wasn't sure about the curtains with the stair right there, and like having a long curtain over here and a short curtain, not really feeling that. So shades here, we're not gonna do shades here, we're gonna have curtains. So I need to figure out basically like how big I want the curtains to be. I've never really measured for curtains before. I'm pretty sure I want them to be like the 84 inch, but it maybe needs to be taller just because 95? Or is that too?
Is that an option?
You could put whatever you want.
Oh.
Yeah, so this curtain place that we found that we're gonna be working with is called Nicetown Curtains. I'm excited to see like what they're all about, and you can do custom dimensions. So I'm honestly thinking in here, like you guys always tell me, go higher than your window to make it just look like a much larger window. So this is an 85 inch to the top of the trim. So I'm thinking, I don't know, maybe 95 is too tall. I think 90 would be good. What do you think?
I think that works.
Okay, 90. And then like I want 2 panels. The window itself is 36. Probably want it to come out farther. Look, he's hanging the light in the dining room. And then the last one we need to measure for is the laundry room. Oh, I love this vanity. I need to get a mirror. It's a good vanity. Looks really good, doesn't it?
I do agree. And I think actually we need to get a new one of those, like a silver one. Brush nickel, whatever you want to call it.
Probably not a bad idea. Looking great. Keep it up. Alright, so we're gonna head out. We've got to get a few things. We've got to get a thermostat, a new one, because that one's just completely outdated compared to the newness that it looks in here now. We've got to get a mirror for the bathroom, maybe like a brushed nickel, what do you call it, like a vent cover.
Yep. Do you know the
what else?
dimensions that we need for the mirror? Do you have in mind?
No, probably like 24.
Tall?
Yeah, by like, probably just 30, like as big as this.
Okay.
We're gonna be doing a whole entire exterior video to show you what all we've done on the exterior. Well, we haven't done it.
All right, you the man. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Keep it up.
That's gonna be it for this video. I'm just still so amazed at just how quickly all this has been coming along, and it looks like we said, they're gonna be doing the porch here soon. We've still got so much to do, but it's coming along really, really nicely. And we're gonna go head to some stores to see if we can get some stuff for the house so that we can put these finishing touches on it.